I just got down cops. We don't want to see no one cup. Can't take no tata shop.
Gun seized from Tamale Sparta linked to Father Fowl and Oney British murder. We're gonna talk about this and more when we come back. If it's your first time here, my viewers, subscribers, ensure that you subscribe now and click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. I hope you're alright and I hope you're doing okay, my viewers, subscribers. So by now, you guys would have already heard the news about Tamale Sparta and the gun that was seized, my people. So police or investigators are saying that the gun that was seized has linked to two murders of two top-tier British link-up crew members, that is Fowl or Father Fowl and also Oney British. My viewers, subscribers, as you can see the title below, we're going to talk about it and go more in depth as to what is going on now as we speak, my people.
Anyway, money they and pleasure. Jealousy and hater.
This is not a good look for Tamale Sparta, aka Guzo Boss, my people, and if you're a fan of him and his music, y'all will actually know that. I also did a video covering the incident earlier today, and you can also watch that video where I go in depth as to what could have actually happened should in case is linked to any of these two murders. Now, my people, what we have news is that police are now interrogating Tamale Sparta. You know, them need answer. Them a link him as you warm to this. Yeah, in relation to this, you was a part of this. What really happened, my people? So we here to talk about it. And of course, Tamale Sparta said this, my people. Now, before we even go any further, now, my people, let's be honest. I mean, we are all fan of Tamale Sparta music, but this was actually a foolish move to and let me first say this: if it's a case where he's not linked to any of these murder, but let's say the gun, because of course Tamale was actually rolling with a system gun. And for persons who are in the street, you guys know what a system gun is. A gun that has been passed on from gang member to gang member, you know, that has linked to several crime, multiple crime. Hot tool, we call it, my people. Now, Tamale was foolish enough to be walking or to be powering with actually a system weapon, knowing that police are after him and should in case them catch him with the gun. I mean, him probably never did actually think that this would happen to him, you know. I don't know, my people, but this was actually a foolish move. Now he's actually in a compromise situation because they're now questioning him in regards to these two murder. You know, the gun is linked to these two murder, and of course, for your subscribers, Tamale denied any link or any of being a part of any of those two murder. Now we cannot leave out the cases of shooting with intent. Sorry, my people. So those are other charges that could be laid against Tamale Sparta. And of course, him have a good lawyer. You know, there's a lot of argument that can actually be raised in regards to these two murder should in case police want to pin these murder, because him don't have to be the trigger man behind the murder, you know. You see it? Him can actually be a part of the murder, not saying that he have to be the one who pull the trigger, my people. But Jano, only if this man here couldn't see this a come in a movie, probably would have avoid it, my people, because this don't look good right now, my viewers, subscribers. And as I said in the previous video I do, like, should in case the feds them pin all of them charges here, them two murder here, upon Tamale Sparta, he might look upon an additional 25 plus years, my people, close to a life. Me say it, you know, a lot of persons will not say it, but that's just the reality of it. That's how it seems as it at this point in time. Even though he actually denied, he said that he was never a part of any of these two murder. That's what he said after police was actually interrogating him in regards to the two murder. My viewer subscribers, what I really want to say is that, Jano, like, artists are for to have money, wanna just do the right thing. You see it? Me not know who would actually be foolish enough if you know what the police are for them and still have a system weapon, you know, which could possibly link to a lot of murders, shooting cases, and yo, man, I'm just think smarter than that, my people. Like, and as me say, while we are all a fan of Tamale Sparta music, let's be honest and just admit here, the man the foolishness. You see it? If you're a man who was known to be back and forth with the feds them, and for this go reach him right now, like, Yo, my people, I one thing, you have to know, no man is bigger than the system. No man is bigger than the system. So, you see, once the system want to sink you, them are going to sink you. And that's how we see them do Vibes Cartel. Like, the system been one Vibes Cartel, you know, him escape on numerous occasions. And the last time, him just never get to escape. And I feel like that I go on to Tamli's part. I just have a prayer to you. Everything go as planned. Him have a good liar, you know. Him have a good, him can afford good liars, but one thing, liars cannot beat a case, especially when there are solid evidence. You get me, my people? So, you have to just know that you can have the biggest liar, an artist can have the biggest set of liar them. You know, once they are witness and evidence, me not talk about circumstantial evidence. If you do, man, them a use that and a sink a whole heap of people. But from the man, them have hardcore evidence against your brother. A care way you can have the best liar them people. And in this case here, but just a hope say none of them murder here don't link to family. Or it's a case where you already have the gun. Let's hope say you probably pass the gun, pass on from black to black, and then family get it. You know, because anyhow, family was linked to any of these murder. You know, whether him send the hit, whether him lead upon the scene, whether him lead in the car, or whatever the case may be, my people. You see it? It have to be a case where, best case scenario, whenever the murder, the happenings, because right now, a whole heap of things them are gonna do. Them are gonna check him location at the time of the murder them. Them are gonna do a whole heap of things. Them are gonna ask for warrant for going on him phone. My viewer subscribers, this is just the beginning. As me can say, this is just the beginning. Expect a lot to come within the few weeks, my people. I mean, we are going to hear more and more as the day goes by. We just have a hope, again as me say, just hope and pray, say, none of these murders don't link back to Tamili's part. And again, no, my people, don't think because she get charged or sentenced, him can't get any more charge. Nope. There's no law in the law book that says that once a person is sentenced or early charged, they cannot get any additional charge. Nope. So any of the murder you're linked to the Gozo boss, he might get additional charge. I'm gonna tell you, 20 plus years to life. They might put him away. Them I go put him away, should in case that happen. My viewers, subscribers, and me know I say you're our favorite artist and we like his music, but you have to be a man. You have to take responsibility of your action. You see it? You have to think. As me say, it's ironic how enough of them man here, brother, before them rich, police don't know them, badness don't know them have a police record, and as them rich, boops, most wanted man, a funny amount of organization. Brother, do music no man, you just do music. If pick a side, if you have the badness, you do badness. If you have the music, you do music, brother. You're a talented artist. For all the talented artists them out there, you have to pick a side. You see it? If you have the music, do music. If you have the badness, do badness, my people. But Janu, it's not a good look for Tamili's part and my viewers, subscribers. Just have to pay for the best. You know, as the day goes by, we'll cover more of the story and more information will be out there again. My viewers, subscribers. Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.